Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Vacuum Belt is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to keeping your home spotless. Today, we're diving deep into the Bissell Vacuum Belt 3031120, a seemingly small part that plays a huge role in your vacuum's performance. We'll explore its durability, compatibility, and how it impacts your cleaning routine, ensuring you get the most out of your vacuum cleaner. Number 5. Bissell 32074 Vacuum Belts, Genuine OEM Replacement. Keep your Bissell vacuum running smoothly with these genuine replacement belts. They are designed to ensure optimal performance and are essential for effective cleaning. Using genuine Bissell parts is crucial for the best results. Non-Bissell parts might damage your machine and void your warranty. These belts are compatible with styles 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Check your user guide for specific installation instructions. If your vacuum isn't cleaning as effectively or the brush roll stops turning, it's time to replace the belt. Regularly inspect it for wear and tear. The drive belt is a key component that makes the brush roll spin, helping to remove dirt and debris. Replace it if it's broken or worn. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation. Your purchase helps save homeless pets. What we like. This is the genuine OEM replacement, ensuring the best performance for your Bissell vacuum. It fits a wide range of styles, so you can be sure it's compatible with your machine. Moreover, by choosing this product, you're also supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation. If you're looking for a reliable, brand-backed replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit perfectly and work great. Does appear to be genuine OEM. It fit perfectly if you open the vacuum up and understand where the belt goes. Number 4. KEEPOW Bissell Vacuum Replacement Belt 4-pack. Tired of a vacuum that doesn't perform? This replacement belt is designed for your Bissell vacuum. It will restore your vacuum's cleaning power. This belt is compatible with a wide range of Bissell vacuum models, including 2252, 2260, and many more. Please check the product description for a full list to make sure it fits your vacuum. Please note that this belt is not compatible with certain Bissell models, such as 1413 and 1797. If the belt is too tight to install, please stop the installation. The perimeter of this style 7910PN 3031120 belt is 14.72 inches. Before purchasing, check the length of the belt from your machine to ensure a perfect fit. For optimal performance, replace the belt every 3 to 6 months. This will help maintain your vacuum's cleaning efficiency. This belt fits Bissell vacuum styles 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 16. It's a reliable replacement to keep your vacuum running smoothly. We offer 24-hour online support. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This belt offers a wide compatibility, fitting numerous Bissell vacuum models. With a 4-pack, you get great value and won't have to worry about replacements for a while. If you have multiple vacuums or simply want to stock up, this is a practical choice. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution, consider this. What people say. Worked perfectly for our vacuum. Fits perfectly. Works great. Perfect fit and easy install. Number 3. Mutter 4 pieces vacuum belts replacement for Bissell. Are you tired of your vacuum not performing at its best? These replacement belts are designed to restore its cleaning power. They are a perfect fit for your vacuum. You'll receive 4 replacement belts, ensuring you have enough to keep your vacuum running smoothly. This provides you with replacements when you need them. These belts are compatible with various Bissell vacuums, including styles 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 16. They also fit Powerglide and Powergroom models. Make sure it fits your model before purchase. This belt can replace several part numbers, including 32074, 2031093, and 3031123. It's a versatile solution for your vacuum needs. Made from quality rubber, this belt offers flexibility and durability. It's built to last, providing reliable performance for your vacuum cleaner. Replacing the belt is simple. Just open your vacuum with a screwdriver and replace the old one. The whole process takes just a few minutes. What we like. This replacement belt is compatible with a variety of Bissell and Powerglide vacuums. Made from durable rubber, it's built to last. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a long-lasting product, you should consider it. What people say. Easy to install and work great. No melting and the burn resistance is good. The fit is on point and the quality is good. Tension from the belt is great. Fit perfect and good quality. Number 2. Bissell Vacuum Cleaner Belt, 2-pack. Tired of your vacuum cleaner belt breaking? This replacement belt is designed specifically for Bissell vacuums. It's a perfect fit for many models, ensuring your vacuum runs smoothly. This belt is compatible with Bissell Style 7, 9, 10, 12, and 14 models, as well as several others. Check the list to see if it fits your vacuum cleaner. This will help you to make sure it is the right one. This replacement belt is compatible with part numbers 3031120, 3031123, 32074, and 2031093. If your vacuum uses any of these part numbers, then this belt is the right choice for you. Made from high-quality materials, this belt is built to last. It's more durable and wear-resistant than standard belts, so you can count on it to keep your vacuum running efficiently. Replacing your vacuum belt is simple. Just make sure to check your model number before purchasing. With this replacement, your vacuum will be back to cleaning in no time. What we like. This belt works with a wide range of Bissell vacuums. It's made from high-quality, wear-resistant materials, ensuring durability. If you want a reliable and long-lasting replacement, this is a great option. If you are looking for a durable belt, this is the one for you. What people say. As advertised. Easy to install and fix the extended belt issue IAHD with the old one. Perfect fit, very durable. These belts are obviously stronger and thicker than many other brands. We have been buying these as replacements for over a year for our Bissell Rewind vacuum. They last a long time and do a great job. I can tell a difference in how effective the vacuum is cleaning when the belt is replaced. Number 1. Poagavgs 3031120 belts for Bissell vacuum. Introducing the Poagavgs 3031120 replacement belts, designed specifically for your Bissell vacuum. These belts ensure your vacuum maintains optimal cleaning performance. This belt is compatible with a wide range of Bissell models. It fits models like 2252, 2260, and many more. Please check the model list to see if it fits your vacuum. However, it's important to note that this belt is not compatible with certain Bissell models. These include models such as 1413, 1797, and others. Please check the list to ensure it is compatible with your vacuum. The perimeter of the belt is 14.72 inches. It's made of high-quality, safe materials, and is easy to install. Make sure to check the length of the belt from your vacuum machine before purchasing to ensure the correct size. It is recommended to replace this belt every 3 to 6 months. The package includes 5 replacement parts, providing you with replacements for 1 to 2 years. The belts come in a resealable bag to keep them clean. It replaces OEM numbers 2031093, 32074, and PN 3031120. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This belt is compatible with a wide array of Bissell vacuum models. The package includes 5 replacement parts, meeting your replacement needs for 1 to 2 years. If you want to ensure you're prepared for future replacements and want a convenient solution, you should consider this. What people say. Works on 2252, so grab 'em while you can. All seems to work well. I did need to pull a little to get the tumble bar as the belt was a little tight. These are heavy-duty belts and you get 4 belts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.